Today, we're plunging into the high stakes for some jaw-dropping, heart-racing moments. Imagine standing right there watching that fall. And the cable, and it all comes crashing down. Man, that car thought it was the hero. Yikes. That's gonna be a hefty repair bill. Oh man, that's gotta hurt. Someone's getting a real bad day. Whoa, an agricultural machine on a boat? Hey, an unexpected company like it was a stunt double. Damn, that tree just decided to play dodgeball with me.
Have farmers. Quick thinking and bravery right there.
Like it was made of paper? Really exciting. It's really a mix of laughable and crying. They're like wild animals racing uphill, and the colors are just stunning. That bulldozer's fall looks terrifying. I can